Because you guys, especially one of the items, like I cannot believe that I got it at TJ Maxx. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, feel free to stick around and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Some of these things I bought myself, some of these things my mom thankfully bought for me. And once again, as usual, like I feel like most of my hauls are accumulation of multiple trips. This wasn't just one trip to TJ Maxx. Why did I do that all weird? You can find some really great things at TJ Maxx, and I feel like I found even like better things than normal. The first thing that I'm going to show you is this shirt. This isn't like the better than normal thing, but this is super cute, I think, and it was only $11.99 or $12.99. I feel like one of those. But yeah, it was an affordable price. I feel like it's almost a little teenagery because it does have this zipper in the back, but also like I think it's really cute. So also I'm still gonna wear this. It just has like short little sleeves here. I love this pattern. I love plants. So the fact that there's flowers all over this, I love it. I also really like this color. I think it's really unique and it's one of the colors that I am getting into. A little bit more muted green. How would you describe this color? Please let me know in the comments down below. I don't know how to describe it necessarily, but I do know that I like it. I think it's really pretty. The next thing, just really quick, I actually thought that I did get this at TJ Maxx initially, but then I noticed the tag whenever I brought it in here. This is actually Ann Taylor Factory. I got this at an outlet. That's what I'm looking for. But obviously, as you can tell by like this shirt, I'm really into these sleeves. And initially, I was like, well, it's basically the same shirt in a different color. Not that that's bad, but these are a little bit more fitted, while as these are a little bit more bell sleeved. And it has like the lace at the bottom is a little bit different. Not that you'll really be able to tell by how I'm holding this shirt. I also think that this is a really pretty color. I feel like on camera, you can't see quite how pretty it is. It's like a very pretty jewel toned, not emerald green, but very, very pretty color. We'll just go in the clothes theme first, apparently, and then we'll get to the makeup. Because you guys, especially one of the items, like I cannot believe that I got it at TJ Maxx. I cannot believe. The next thing is I got at Marshall's, which Marshall's and TJ Maxx are like practically the same store, right? Very similar. Usually I find better things at TJ Maxx, but this was from Marshall's. This was only like $7.99. I've already worn this in a video. I think it's really cute. I don't know. It's like a cropped shirt, but it's not super cropped, but it's like cropped enough to where it looks good with like high-waisted jeans or like high-waisted shorts, whatever. And I like it. I like the little rose detail. I think it's super cute. We're just gonna go ahead and finish it off with the clothes. Next up, I have been wanting a new pair of tennis shoes. These were only $24. They're New Balance. I wear size 9, in case anyone's curious. I'm sure you're not. But I love how lightweight these are, and they almost look I wore them last night whenever I went walking with my mom, and it almost gives you like a bounce in your step. They're very supportive. It says the comfort insert, and they're from New Balance. Once again, they're super lightweight. I just like how like versatile and wearable these are. They're not like super loud colors. I know it does have the purple N on the side, but I don't know. I still think it's pretty wearable, and I was really happy to get that on clearance. I guess it was from like last summer or something. I don't know. I don't care. All I care about is that it was $24, and that's a really good deal. Next up, I have been on the hunt for a purse like this. Oh, we got a little Burt's Bees thing in there. I thought that I took everything out. Also, lipstick. Interesting. I have been on the hunt for a purse like this for over a year, or almost a year, around a year. It's just so beautiful. This is Steve Madden. This was also on clearance. I believe it was $16.99. I've only used this once, I think, so far, because it is smaller than my normal purses. Normally I like to carry a purse that I can fit a water bottle in because I drink water all of the time. If you know me personally, I literally, like while I'm filming, for example, water. I have water with me at all times. It's good to stay hydrated. Wait, let me say that word, you can actually hear it. It's good to stay hydrated. This is such a good find. Like I said, once again, Steve Madden has 2 pouches here. While you can't fit a water bottle, you can still fit quite a bit of items in here for like how small this purse is. Small, I mean, relatively speaking. It is a crossbody, or you can wear it on like the same side. I like purses like this. The purse that I use every day, It can either be a crossbody or one like that you just carry with the shorter handles. I don't have like a huge collection of purses anymore because I don't know, like it's just how things are. But I do really like this. I love this color. It's just used to my favorite colors, and they still are, were maroon and navy. I love me some navy, but now it's like this mustard yellow has also joined the family, and I think she's here to stay. She's here to stay for at least a little while. I think this is beautiful. Have I said that I like it enough? Do you understand how much I like it? I hope you do. It's beautiful. Okay, I think that this is, yep. The next few items that I have were all from the same trip, and this was honestly one of the best TJ Maxx trips that I've had, at least in a very long time. First of all, we have this beauty that I got on clearance. Normally, as you can see, it's $15. I got it for $7.50. It has, this is like a little multi-mask trial set. It has 6 masks in here. So each mask is literally like $1.10, $1.25, a crazy good deal. I love the Body Shop. If you've watched any of my videos, I feel like I mention it in almost every single one, and I have over like 150 videos now. The Body Shop Shea Lotion, or the Body Shop Shea Body Butter. Let me be a little bit more specific. The Body Shop Shea Body Butter, favorite scent. It's what I used today as I applied my self tanner. That's why I'm wearing a black top. That's why I didn't wear one of the ones that I recently got, because I didn't want to transfer self tanner onto that because it's real cute. The shirts, that is. It's still developing if I still look fairly pale. Give it time, okay? Why am I so, okay, focus, Anna, focus. Body Shop. That's back to where we are. I was really excited to get this. This has specifically, I have used the Himalayan charcoal mask before. I think I've only used it once, or I think I've used it twice. So I can't necessarily say, you know, it was a game changer for my skin, but it didn't break out my skin. I can only say that. And so you get one of the charcoal masks, you get one rose, one matcha, one acai, one honey, and one ginseng and rice. Ginseng and rice. I'm excited about all of these. I'm so excited. And okay, not that I got like a crazy amount of things, but I just, like I said, you know, I get like one or two items here and there at TJ Maxx, but these, I could not talk myself out of any of the items. The next thing I was really excited to try out, this is the Laura Geller Baked Elements Foundation. This is a powder foundation. I have very oily skin, so I'm gonna use this as a setting powder. I used it today for the first time, and I think it did great on my skin. This is specifically the fair shade. Let me show you what it looks like. I do have the Urban Decay translucent powder. I have one that I'm currently using. I have hit pan, but I still have, you know, like a significant amount left. And then I have one unused. So that's why I was like on the fence about getting it. But you guys, this was $5.99. It's normally like, I think $22 to $32. It's normally a lot more than $5.99. So I just couldn't pass her up. Just couldn't do it. This is what it looks like. I feel like you get less product in here than the Urban Decay one. Once again, are we surprised? I don't feel like getting up to go compare. But in the Laura Geller one, I get 0.19 ounces. Maybe I just feel like my coffee has kicked in more than normal. And maybe I got like a good night's rest last night. I'm not mad about it. I just normally don't have, I just need to focus this energy. Focus this energy, Hannah. I really like it. It is finely milled, but of course I've only used it once, so I can't necessarily give you a full review on it, but I was really excited to pick that up. Next thing, I'm saving the best for last, but this is the second best thing. Well, I mean, this is the second to last thing. That's what I'm trying to say. This is the Bite Beauty lip gloss. I don't have that many lip glosses just because normally I'm not much of a lip gloss person, but I kind of wanted, I mean, it's good to have an option or two if you really want one. I do have a few lip glosses, but not one like this. This is, once again, the Bite Beauty lip gloss in the shade Salted Caramel. I say caramel, not caramel, but I know that there's people who say caramel. Totally fine. I have it on today over top of the MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy, and then I used the, okay, so let's start at the beginning. First I used the Urban Decay lip pencil in 1993 to line my lips. Then I used the MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy, and then over top I have this, and it just kind of gives you a very pretty glossy look. It's not shimmery, and I kind of like that because they do have a couple glittery glosses if I wanted to go down that route. So this is just a really pretty neutral color, and I like that it is, I feel like I was gonna say warm toned, but is this cool toned or is this neutral? Now I'm second guessing. It looks like this, and you can decide if you think that's, I feel like that's warm toned, right? Right. Either way, it's pretty. And then, you guys, the ultimate find. Ooh, okay. The ultimate find was this Cover FX glitter drops. I got the shade Mirage. They did have the other 2 shades there. They were pretty. I just didn't find myself wearing them that much. There is also a glittery shade that has like a lot of blue shimmer in it, and then there's a glittery shade that has a lot of hot pink shimmer in it. It's pretty. I just don't think that I would wear it that much. This is what I'm wearing as my highlighter today, and I also have it on my lids, but I have a artist, I think it's Artist Couture, shimmery glitter situation over top of my lids, so it's pretty, but I also have glitter over top. But it's the highlight that I'm wearing today. I'm gonna try to do all of the angles because, okay, here's the thing. I will show you, calm down. Hey guys, so this is a different day. My camera decided to stop recording whenever I was originally filming this, so here we are. This is why I have trust issues. This is why I'm paranoid if my camera is still recording. Actually, this is the 3rd time that I've been recording, that I tried recording this segment. I tried to film it yesterday, but the lighting was just, it just wasn't good, didn't look good. So here we are. Hopefully this goes through. Back to talking about the Cover FX glitter drops. I did put it on as a highlight again today. Hopefully you can kind of see maybe the beautiful glow that this gives. If not, I did film some footage outside where I put the glitter drops on my hand, so hopefully you can kind of see there. I'll insert that here. If not, yeah, stunning. This is one of the best finds that I've ever found at TJ Maxx because originally this is $44. $44. I paid $8.99 for this. Beautiful. And also I just feel like it'll last for a really long time because obviously a little goes a long way with this. This is just so beautiful. I can't believe that I found that at TJ Maxx. I am so excited. If you liked this video, I think you'll also like this video here. I did the no mirror makeup challenge. So click right here to see how I did. Once again, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.